we'll have to pull back all those memorable experiences because you get only one shot at the goalpost. When you're launching a new molecule, a new brand, this is like getting one shot at the penalty area. You can't be missing this one.
There is a dehydration.
Zip, so it is a mechanical zipper. Okay, so then 2 or 3 will get entangled with each other, and then this will adhere to the intestinal mucus.
Presentation is a lactobacillus species.
Claiming that it is having powerful
Since it is
addition
more research.
properties. And it have 2 mechanisms of action. One is adhesion, and the second is the mucosal.
And in LGG we have the strain which is very specific and highly researched.
Of the intestinal cell. So LGG also inhibits the squamous necrosis factor.
Let clarify to the doctors that it is providing 3 billions, whereas unique.
By basketball bacteria and Bulgarian bacteria.
It restores to acid and bile. Then it has a good growth characteristics and has addition capacity.
Whatever this, politically it's like I have difference of opinion, but whatever you say, the guy is open.
Yes.
Whatever you say, like, we may have lot of difference of opinion, but it's very difficult to point out that he's not genuine. You can see a genuine need to kind of do something, isn't it? Honestly, admittedly, I'm not a follower of the party. But then as a person, when you see him talking, you feel that, okay, fine, this guy ultimately is wanting to do something good.
Please remember, the intent should not be to, drive to a thought process. The intent is to give all the available information in our purview and then leave it to the discretion of the prescribing HCP.
The only thing is, along with reach and coverage, in the same breath, if you can see what is the output. What I am saying, what is the effectiveness part of it. So share having 98% without it anything, I think that's not a brilliant, that's not a great idea. So if you can bring that concept, and then it's more of a wastage. Then you can have 200 doctors, but if you find your 50s are of, then you'll not be there, not any use. So I think that's the place where we should be working. So is the doctor who is supposed to be in the list, is he in the list or she is in the list, or there are guys who are not supposed to be in our list, they are in the list. I think the discussion should move in that direction rather than 98%.
In the earliest avatar, this was in the good old days when there was just one business unit, this was the only business unit. The earliest avatar was Glaxo Pharma. So don't ever forget, we have that incredible responsibility on our shoulders, not just to retain the identity of what we sell, but the identity of what Glaxo really brought to the industry.
What it says is the RDA limits should be as defined in ICMR guidelines, Indian Council of Medical Research, I'm sorry, or as per Codex Alimentarius or WHO guidelines.
So the small intestine, it is made up of 3 parts. First, duodenum. Second, jejunum, where most of the functions of the GI tract take place. And third, ileum.
One of the my dietitian, so he's also suggested that it is changed to me. So this can be one of the good opportunity area for us. Not for right now, but at least we can just launch to them so that we can engage in the future.
Good, sir. Thank you.
Primarily now, so with the knowledge being disseminated by doctors to you, if I say as suggested by Sugata boss, to a BMS sort of a level of a doctor, say for MBBS doctor, 6 in number, primarily your knowledge and your skills would be equivalent to the knowledge which they would have at that particular moment.
Confident होने के लिए, to be confident is what I told you, take those doctors into confidence who can waive your confidence.
And you
Okay? So practice a lot, as he rightly says, practice a lot. You need to go through the slides again and again. There is no extempore on this. Yes, after you have done some 10-15 SPMs, probably you will be more confident.
This from EFSA, powerful adhesive properties we have seen, and it is class notified by FDA also. So based on this, I can say that it can work better than Introgermina also. Or not better than, I will not claim like that, it's very tall claim if I will say that it is better than Introgermina. But at least it will do the work what it is supposed to.
I guess this was a highly strategic initiative, and why do I say that is because apart from the routine, the brand communication what we normally harp upon, I think the workshop dealt with the importance of communication and probably going ahead one step above communication, the ability to persuade people. I guess that is highly strategic and the input was pretty good, and I enjoyed talking to the group, and post the session we had some conversation between us, and I could gauge that probably it went off well. Because people had an idea around these kind of things.
The takeaway message is when we look at the leadership styles that we talk about in GSK, the most important and where we have not been very strong with is to release energy. With the confidence that these 24 people, these brand ambassadors are going to the market, the release of energy will be fabulous, that will be taken care of, and further when they talk to their colleagues, they will be able to develop capability and talent which is going to further strengthen the brand in a much bigger way.
I think this is one of the best workshops which we have attended. It was quite interactive. We have lots of small sessions where people will be given exercises to do, and post that we could even judge them in context to how they have performed over their exercises. So I've attended lots of workshops in quite a few times, but one of the best workshops I've attended in recent times in Entroplus.
I think first and foremost, this is a path-breaking event. As I said yesterday morning when we began the RPM, it's a historic moment for the company in general and Entroplus business unit in particular.
This is actually a unique workshop in its kind, and I for one have been delighted to attend one of these. I mean, there have been several workshops in the past, but this is actually very different and unique in its own.
So the experience is very good. In fact, I find myself as a very privileged person because out of 78 managers, I have been selected for this workshop, and I got an opportunity to interact with medical, marketing as well as training department, and for the first time we have learned how to go and organize the SPM as a speaker. So the kind of knowledge imparted to us, it was a full packed activity throughout the program, and I have learned a lot. So now I am very confident to go and organize the SPM as a speaker. So this is a nice experience for me.
Revolutionize with Entroplus.